welcome to our open house for middle school parents. We're thrilled to have you with us this afternoon. My name is Sister Kirsten, and I'm the principal of Catholic High School, and it's a pleasure to have you join us today for what we have planned and hope will be a very valuable and helpful experience for you. Either this year, if you're an 8th grade parent, or very soon, if you have other middle school age children, you'll be making one of the most important decisions that you can ever make for your child in your life or theirs, and that's the choice of their high school. Choosing the school in which your child is going to spend 4 years of that very impressionable time of adolescence is a very critical decision, a very pivotal one in your life and in your child's life. Catholic High School has a tremendous amount to offer your child, and I think you probably know that, or at least wonder what we're like since you've come today on such a gorgeous day to spend some time here. And we plan what we hope will be a very helpful, informative, and beneficial experience for you. You'll be able to see firsthand who we are, what we have to offer, and how your child can grow optimally in every way, intellectually, spiritually, socially, morally, physically, during their high school years at Catholic High. If you choose to have your child become a Catholic High Crusader, what your child has as a tool or a help to grow is truly unlimited at Catholic High School. And that's what we want to share with you this afternoon. So now it's a pleasure to introduce to you two of our students who are very anxious to share with you their experience of being a Catholic High Crusader. So I introduce Junior Amaya Butler and Senior Charlie Stafford.
Hello, and welcome to our open house at Pensacola Catholic High School. I'm Amaya Butler, a junior student at CHS.
And I am Charlie Stafford, a senior here at Catholic High. We are here today to share with you the many reasons we love being a part of the Catholic High family. This afternoon, we will have the opportunity to meet the faculty, staff, and other students as we tour the campus and truly begin to understand what it is like to be a Catholic Crusader. At Catholic High, faith, morals, and values are taught and embraced throughout the curriculum, not just in the religion classes. Coming into the school as a non-Catholic, I wondered what that experience would be like. I was surprised that in every religion class I have taken, I have learned so much more about my personal faith, religion, and relationship with God. Catholic High has taught me that my faith is something I live. The school's core values: selfless love, commitment to service, commitment to excellence, and personal integrity, are values that shape how I interact with others and lead me as I try my best to live God's law.
Catholic strong academic programs are built to fit the needs of every student. All incoming freshmen take the placement test, and the results of this test, along with middle school transcripts and teacher recommendations, become the basis for every student's schedule. All core courses are taught on 4 levels: honors, AP, dual enrollment, advanced college prep, and general. When I started 9th grade, most of my classes were at the CP level. The classroom was challenging, but I worked hard, gained confidence, and even earned the school's academic award of excellence. As a result, my teachers recommended that I be moved to advanced college prep courses. In addition, my earth science teacher, Mr. Smith, recognized my passion for science and recommended that I take honors science classes. He, like all teachers at CHS, wanted me to be challenged and committed to my academic success. This is one of the things that I appreciate about Catholic. The class sizes are small, which allow teachers to make a better connection with students.
As a class, 99% of the graduating class of 2020 chose to pursue a post-secondary education. The class of 2020 as a whole received over $14 million in scholarships as a result of their hard work and dedication. 63% of last year's seniors earned at least one scholarship to fund their college education. Our guidance department focuses on providing support, care, and resources to all students. For freshmen and sophomores, guidance helps these younger students as they navigate through the first 2 years of high school. For juniors and seniors, like me and Maya, this personalized support comes in the form of career exploration, college admissions, and a scholarship application process. In fact, when our senior advisor, Ms. Kite, first reviewed my resume with me, she pretty much told me it was terrible, but not quite in those words. She sat with me, and we worked together to correct my mistakes and help me get a better feel for what college admissions are looking for in a student. Now, when I send my resume off to colleges, I feel confident that my resume speaks to my experiences.
We are united as a family and love to work together to help those in need. Each year, we participate in our annual Make a Difference Day, which over 500 crusaders and parents work together on 20 or more projects throughout Pensacola on the same day. Our annual Thanksgiving food drive helped build the shelves of our local pantries for the upcoming year. In fact, we collected 40,000 food items last November. And in December, we love to participate in the operation of St. Nicholas, our Christmas stocking project. This project helps provide Christmas joy for the students in our 2 local partner education public elementary schools. Experiences like these help us understand and grow in our core values of selfless love and commitment to service.
I began my high school career at a public school right here in Pensacola. During my entire freshman year, I realized that I wasn't getting the personalized learning I had received in my middle school years. My experience at Catholic has been quite the opposite. From my first day at Catholic, I found myself in smaller classes with teachers who genuinely wanted to get to know me and help me as much as possible. They cared about my successes, both in and out of the classroom, and I looked to them as coaches and mentors.
Speaking of coaches and mentors, Coach Johnson and Coach Simonelli have been amazing mentors and coaches to me. They are helping me navigate my recruiting journey and dream of playing volleyball at a D1 college. I knew from elementary school I wanted to be a part of Catholic's elite volleyball program, and I'm only a junior and had the experience in playing in the regional finals last night. In fact, Catholic's volleyball team has been in the playoffs for the past 8 years straight. I know I'm not the only Crusader getting these awesome experiences and building such wonderful memories. Our golf team is on the way to Orlando to compete in the state tournament. Our swim team just competed in regionals, and our football team has already qualified to play in the postseason competition.
It's always a great day here at Catholic High. There are a variety of clubs to help me express my interests while forming bonds and friendships with other Crusaders. During my years at Catholic High, I have been a part of the Spanish Club, Fellowship of Christian Athletes. I was chosen for the senior retreat team and inducted into the National Honor Society. With over 40 clubs and extracurriculars, there's a place for everyone to get involved here at Catholic High. During my junior year, Catholic helped me as I got the chance to work in the Florida State Senate as a page for one of our state senators. This experience gave me the chance to learn the balance between academics and life. Now that I've entered my senior year, I've had the time to reflect on my journey and how much I truly appreciate being a member of the Catholic High family. Because that's what we are here. Not a school, but a family.
Thank you so much for allowing us to tell you what's so special about CHS. From our championship athletic teams to our rigorous academic program, to the faith and family that binds us together, we are CHS.
Your student ambassadors will be guiding you throughout the remainder of the afternoon. Refreshments are available at the concession stands outside the